Once upon a time, in a tranquil village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a wise old woman named Eliza. She was renowned throughout the land for her clarity of thought and her ability to solve even the most perplexing problems. One sunny morning, a young villager named Alex approached Eliza, his face clouded with confusion. He said, "Eliza, I can't seem to think clearly. My mind is a jumble of thoughts, and I can't make sense of anything." Eliza smiled kindly and invited Alex into her cozy cottage. She gestured for him to sit by the open window, where a gentle breeze rustled the curtains. Then she began to share her wisdom on how to think clearly. "Clear thinking, my dear," Eliza began, "is like a still pond. To see your thoughts reflected clearly, you must first calm the waters of your mind." She offered Alex a bowl filled with water and instructed him to drop a pebble into it. Ripples danced across the surface, distorting the reflection of the trees outside. "Now watch," said Eliza. "As the ripples subside, the image becomes clear again. Your mind is like this pond. To think clearly, you must calm the ripples of distraction." Eliza shared 3 essential lessons with Alex. 1. Meditation and reflection. Eliza encouraged Alex to take time each day to sit quietly, focusing on his breath and allowing his thoughts to settle. Through meditation, he could learn to observe his thoughts without judgment and let go of the unnecessary ones. 2. Prioritize and simplify. Eliza emphasized the importance of setting clear priorities. "Just as you can't fill a cup that's already overflowing," she said, "you can't think clearly if your mind is cluttered with too many tasks and worries. Simplify your life and focus on what truly matters." 3. Seek wisdom. Eliza advised Alex to seek wisdom from books, mentors, and nature. "The more you learn," she said, "the more tools you have to think with. But remember, knowledge is only valuable when applied wisely." Over the weeks that followed, Alex diligently practiced Eliza's teachings. He meditated by the serene pond, learned to prioritize his tasks, and read books that expanded his understanding of the world. Gradually, his mind began to resemble the still pond Eliza had shown him. One day, he returned to Eliza with a smile of clarity on his face. "Eliza," he said, "I can think clearly now. The chaos in my mind has transformed into serene clarity, just like the pond." Eliza nodded with satisfaction. "Remember, Alex, clarity is not a destination but a lifelong journey. Keep practicing these principles, and your thinking will remain as clear as the tranquil waters of that pond." And so, with Eliza's guidance, Alex continued his quest for clear thinking, sharing the wisdom he had gained with others in their peaceful village, ensuring that the art of thinking clearly would endure for generations to come.